For any measure, there will be a countermeasure. The one who knows more wins.
As soon as you're airborne, you will be tracked and targeted by hostile sensors on land, at sea, and in the air. The threat systems that are designed to find you, fix you, and engage you are constantly evolving, and for every measure, there'll be a countermeasure.
Nobody is invisible. Everyone can be detected, identified, and located.
Then how do you win against hostile radars, sensors, missiles, and fighters?
It's a determination of the electronic spectra. It's trying to use our tools to defeat the other one, not by weapons, but by electronics.
Your aircraft and your weapons need to operate across an invisible electronic battlespace.
To survive in the battlefield against any threat anywhere is about avoiding, denying, deceiving, and defending against all threats.
By having EW built into its core from the start, Gripen pushes the boundaries for what a fighter can do. Every aircraft is armed with an optimized sensor and emitter architecture that matches or exceeds those of much bigger, dedicated electronic warfare platforms. Every Gripen has a fully networked onboard sensor system, combined with multiple advanced tactical jamming capabilities. Spherical coverage is a defining feature, with no blind spots and maximum effectiveness in every direction.
The pilot can maneuver however they want and still be protected.
Ultra-broadband emitters and receivers are distributed around the airframe and supported by massive onboard electrical and computing power. The system alerts the pilot to threats and automatically outsmarts enemy countermeasures.
It's more dynamic since you can reprogram your system much easier, as fast as possible, 24 hours. You can't have a system that will take a year to upgrade.
Its electronic warfare capabilities are used in tactical collaboration between other fighters, with airborne early warning and control systems like Global Eye, and with allied ground and naval forces.
Collaboration between platforms has always been really important for Sweden, and we are sending the necessary electronic warfare data through the network to be able to do more efficient data fusion.
Gripen's capabilities include all elements of electronic warfare. A core capability is electronic protection. Complex waveforms and advanced techniques over multiple frequency bands defeat enemy radars and enemy missiles. At all times, the EW sensors collect electronic data from the surroundings to build an electronic order of battle at long range with high precision and against multiple target types.
Electronic warfare at this level makes Gripen the master of the electronic battle space.
Electronic countermeasures is the ability to analyze, adjust to, and then counter hostile systems.
You need to be able to adapt and react in real time.
Gripen's advanced EW system and other onboard emitters disable hostile radars. Their combined power, waveforms, and technique produce wide-frequency jamming effects at long range. The integrated defense system provides effective protection against infrared and radar frequency threats, with fully integrated detection and deployment for chaff, flares, and more complex decoys. A formation of aircraft can deliver wide-area electronic protection and attack. Gripen's network-enabled tactics allow for combined jamming effects.
We focused on giving all the platforms a really good electronic warfare capability.
So how are Gripen's electronic warfare capabilities used in combat? Airborne surveillance radars, such as enemy AWACS, are located and jammed at range so that the enemy is denied situational awareness and the ability to act. Meanwhile, Gripen E deploys advanced weapons backed by powerful electronic countermeasures. Powerful wide-spectrum EW detects, locates, and suppresses hostile radars from long range. Ground targets can be geolocated by multiple sensors and then engaged with high-resolution targeting data. Gripen's EW consistently suppresses any hostile air defense systems, providing wide-area escort jamming through contested airspace along with targeting data support. This capability is embedded in every Gripen E. Tomorrow's air combat will be defined by data, and the threat environment evolves rapidly in combat. Gripen E's modular flight avionics allow all tactical systems to be updated within hours. Gripen's new RBS-15 with extended range has superior maritime strike capabilities. Electronic support and suppression ensure that every missile will hit its target.
Agility in today's warfare is very important because the technology and the threats along with that are changing in so fast pace.
Electronic warfare supremacy is at the core of the Gripen fighter system. In every scenario, it defeats any threat on the battlefield. More importantly, it'll keep outsmarting and defeating those threats for decades to come.